The vest component consists of 3 pieces. One large body portion to cover the back of the wearer's torso, printed with numeric indicia, corresponding to the wearer's circumference measurement, and 2 smaller spine portions to cover the left and right of the wearer's front torso. Measure the chest circumference, then mark on the measurement line labeled chest. Measure the widest circumference of the trunk below the chest, then mark on the bottommost scale labeled waist. Using those measurements, place the spine portion on the corresponding number marking along the body portion. Repeat this step with the second spine portion. Use the bottommost scale for aligning the waist-hip measurement. Trim the excess at each side of the spine, leaving 10 centimeters of body material past the spine on both vest sides. To apply the vest, engage the shoulder straps onto the back body portion. Once assembled, place arms through the shoulder openings with the black side of the material facing the skin. Unroll the top 2 band ends and pull them above and below each other across the front of the chest. The suggested height is 1 finger width below the axilla crease. Adjust vest as needed and continue to unroll and close the bands downward on the front of the vest. The juxtaposed straps should be completely closed for optimum fit. Use the spine tabs on each side of the torso to adjust fit and apply firm but comfortable compression. Fasten all the tabs on one side before moving to the other side. The optimal vest length can be determined while the vest is on the patient. Locate the desired wearing length on the body by observing torso contours. The vest can be folded upwards to evaluate a length before cutting. Observe natural waist as patient bends. On a flat surface, trim to desired length following the marked cut line. Alternatively, the vest may be cut with bandage scissors while the vest is on. The provided fleck foam pad can be utilized under the vest and trimmed to desired shape. Place foam in desired location and reapply vest. Adjust the shoulder straps for wearing comfort. The axilla area may be trimmed to accommodate foam or if higher chest coverage of the vest is desired. Each large band may be split into 2 smaller bands by cutting at the indicated mark printed in the middle of the band. Be careful not to trim past the stop marking. Once cut, the smaller bands may be angled to fit the contours of the torso and eliminate wrinkles.